Hey everyone, Appliance Fixer Guy here. Have you ever noticed that your refrigerator is running, but your food isn't staying cold? Common reason is a failed evaporator fan motor. This little component plays a huge role in keeping your fridge cool, and today I'll explain why it's important, how to tell if it's bad, and how to replace it. Let's get into it. By far the easiest way to tell if your evaporator fan is bad is if your freezer's cold, but your refrigerator compartment is warm. First thing you need to do, disassemble. Let's take out the ice maker, take out the back panel, and as you can see on this fan, pretty seized up. I can move it with my fingers and that ended up breaking it free, but I'm not going to take any chances. So I'm going to disconnect it from power, go back into the freezer, pop the evaporator fan mount and housing off by removing these 4 screws on the back of the evaporator fan. After that's done, softly remove the wires. You got to pull really hard to get the plastic fan off of the pole of the motor. But once you got those two things separated, then find a new evaporator fan motor. Luckily I had one in the truck, but if you need one, I'll drop one in the description below. You can use the link to find one. Now I've got the new motor on, spin the fan, much better. Once you get it all put back together, just do the same thing in backwards order. It takes a little while to get the wiring the way you need it. Getting the housing back to where the manufacturers put it is almost an impossible task. Once you get it seated and back to where you want it, you can put your panel back on. While you're reassembling that, make sure that you put the water spout for the ice maker through the panel and also connect the connections for the ice maker because I forget it every time. Your refrigerator is one of the most important appliances in your home, and understanding how it works can help you catch problems before they get worse. A simple fix like this can save you from spoiled food and expensive repairs. So if your fridge isn't cooling properly, make sure to check that evaporator fan motor. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.